Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make EA account on your system. So let's begin first to make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply open your any internet browser. I have Chrome. Here you need to type ea.com. Then you need to click on this profile icon, then click on create account. Here first you need to select your country, then put your date of birth, then click on next. Here you need to enter your email address, then your EAID, and here you need to enter your password. After putting your email address, EAID, and password, proceed to the next page. Here click on create account after selecting these three options. After that, you will receive a verification code on your provided email address. Enter it here. The next page will confirm your EAID and email address. Click on finish and you will have successfully created your EA account. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you find it helpful. I will see you guys in the next video.